So, doctor, as we were talking about belly fat, I think the another stubborn thing that we all struggle with, जो एक बार आ गया तो जाता ही नहीं, I think is dandruff. And you can try कितने ही type of shampoos and कितने ही treatments, even if you do them outside. It's very difficult to get rid of it. It just comes back some way or the other. So, is there a permanent natural solution to it, a cure to it?
So yes, shampoos do help a little bit to control it temporarily, but it is not a permanent solution. We must understand first that there are two types of dandruff. There is a dry dandruff, which is scaly dandruff, and then there's a oily dandruff, which is itchy and has flakes coming out. These are two types of dandruff that happen, and they are both because of different causes. There could be seborrheic dermatitis, or there could be a specific type of bacteria that grows on the scalp called malassea. This bacteria, though it is harmless in nature, it does grow with the oil in the scalp, which is natural oil. So the oil feeds the bacteria, and that allows the dandruff to grow more. And that is why the cure of that is not always in shampoos and in applying oils and creams. The cure is inside. Let's look at the cleansing. It's the cleansing of the gut.
Gut, but what has gut got to do with your scalp?
Yes, there is a interesting connection between the skin and the gut. And this connection is called the gut-skin axis. So many of the skin conditions actually are connected with the gut. And the way the gut microbiome reacts, it impacts the condition of the skin. Our hair, which is actually full of dandruff sometimes, is reacting in response to what we are eating. And the gut, therefore, has a major role to play in the dandruff and in both types of dandruff. Many a times I have seen that we give a thing called avipati churnam, which is an Ayurvedic churn, which is made with other herbs. And then you have it with castor oil for about a month or so, and dandruff completely disappears.
So you mean to say it's not about what we apply externally, it's more about what we are internally. So we need
Yes.
to clean the internal things first before we take care of the dandruff.
Our skin actually is a reflection of our inner health, and that's why it's important to take care of inside. So sometimes it's important to look inside rather than just look outside.
Well, that's a very interesting fact. So guys, that's an amazing piece of news. So sometimes treating your inside is much better than applying random stuff outside. So if you are also suffering from any kind of dandruff problem, I really strongly suggest that try a gut cleansing program with an expert and see the magic.